I can tell you are very confident and very very stable, sturdy, and vital energy. Even here, you didn't stop. Also, how come? What to do with this flat wine? We talked about it before. Leave it, and also you can instead of get another load of ink. No, you can adjust. The speed. A little bit slower, to finish. Yeah. That's what you did. I found. I can tell. For your art too, right? Yeah. That's the way to do, right? Because every time the thickness of your ink and the absorbency of the paper are different.
Yeah.
Right, and the air very dry or very humid is different.
Okay.
So you need to every 10 second, 1/10 of a second, you make your judgment.
Yes.
You make your decision, and to let your brush, ink, and paper make friends. Understand?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Now we can move to the larger whole body one.
Yes.
To make the bigger one.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Congratulations, beautiful.
Yes.